Hello everyone. So welcome to Code with me NC. Today we are going to write a program to calculate the volume of a cylinder. So here we are going to calculate the volume of a cylinder using hard-coded inputs. That is, the values which will be used for calculating the volume of a cylinder, their values will be already assigned. Like the volume of a cylinder, the formula is pi r square h. So there r and h, that is your radius and height, they are required and their values will be already assigned. So just look in the two forward slash, I wrote calculate volume of a cylinder. So here these two forward slash, it is a kind of a syntax of comments. So whatever I will be writing as comment will not be considered by my compiler for execution. So I can use it. Then hash include stdio.h is my header file, which is compulsory in C programming language. Then my int main, it is the main function. After this, whatever I will be writing will be considered by my compiler for execution. This curly braces indicating the start of my code. Then int radius equals to 3 semicolon. Here I have declared a variable whose name is radius under the data type int. That is, the value the radius will be going to store will be of integer type. So here I give 3 as my value of radius. Then semicolon is my instructor dominator. Then int height is equals to 2 semicolon. Here again I have declared a variable named as height under the data type of integer. Here this int shows that whatever value I'll be keeping in height will be of integer type. Then semicolon, which acts the instructor dominator. Now my float volume semicolon. Here again I have declared a variable float, but I have not assigned it any value because that I am going to calculate here. And I have put this variable named as volume under the data type float because the value of volume can come in the range of, or be like can come be real values or decimal values. So for that case I wrote float. So my volume variable is under float data type. Now volume, the variable which I have declared, now I'm assigning it a value. So this value is pi, which is 3.14 into radius into height. Here this asterisk symbol denotes your multiplication in C programming language. So this is your 3.14, which is pi into r into r into h. So here your radius and height, they carries the value here. This our radius carries 3 and our height carries 2, which we have assigned them. Now inside the printf function, whatever I will write inside my parentheses and double quotes will be printed on the screen. So here I wrote volume of the cylinder is, then percentage %f, it is a format specifier for real values or decimal values. So what it will print? It will print the volume. And what is my volume? My volume here I have given it a value pi r square h. So on my screen it will be printed like volume of the cylinder is and then the value of volume. Then return 0 since I'm not returning any value from my program, and then these curly braces indicating that my code is finished, my program is closed. Now just look what is the output. Here my output is volume of cylinder is 56.520000. So this is the value of my volume, and I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, you can comment below. I'll be happy to clear them and I will definitely see your comments. And if you like, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.